You are right now talking with Kamran Zafar, the Executive Director of Global Peace Chain. Basically, I am from the country Pakistan. Last year, we laid down the foundation of one of our most prestigious organizations, namely Global Peace Chain, which is working right now in more than 150 countries. They are advocating the message of peace, the message of love, inclusivity, and interfaith harmony. So we are also going to submit a petition by the end of 2020 in United Nations, which says peace by dialogue. We are collecting the signatures of 1 million voices for all around the world, including all the subcontinents, including America, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and all the other places in this world. So we are going to submit this petition by the end of 2020 in United Nations in order to secure the future of our upcoming generation, because it is a war which gives us nothing but the destruction. So we need to settle down all the conflict. We believe that there would be conflict. Whenever there is one person on earth, there would be conflict, because it is quite natural. Having different opinions is quite natural. All we need to do is to tackle this conflict in a very peaceful manner. Everything can be done by dialogue. So we are advocating the message of dialogue. We want to tell the body of this world, those who are the policy makers, those who are the decision makers, we are coming as a peace agents, we are coming as a pressure group in the form of youth in this world, that you should take the action which is right for our upcoming generation. You owe us, and you have to bring some positive change in this world, that you should have adopt the policy to tackle the conflict by dialogue, not by war. We are here for our event, which is namely as Global Peace Summit Kurdistan, which being an executive director of Global Peace Chain, it was a test for me to choose one of the best places that would better fit to our topic. So I think I have made a perfect decision by choosing Kurdistan, because Kurdistan is one of the examples of interfaith harmony, love, tradition, and culture. So we have chosen Kurdistan for our next event, which is Global Peace Summit, and we are here with almost more than 100 international delegates from more than 50 different countries, and we are here to discuss the challenges we are facing right now and how to tackle these challenges. Global Peace Chain, to tackle this situation, we raised an organization, we laid down the foundation of Global Peace Chain, which is a co-venture of more than 50 registered. And Mr. Vice President said that this is a place which can be used as the example of love, coexistence. Just coming from my country to Kurdistan, and you know Kurdistan is also a part of Iraq, and you see that each and every media channel is live is sharing the conflict stories, is sharing the current situation which is being held in Baghdad, and I came to know that hundreds of people have been injured and died during these current circumstances, and many people asked us not to go to Iraq, but we were quite comfortable by coming to Kurdistan because we have very strong team. We have already observed that Kurdish people are very loving, caring, and we already had complete knowledge regarding Kurdistan, that Kurdistan is quite peaceful and quite different place than the traditional Iraq. We also believe that one day, inshallah soon, there would be peace in the Iraqi side as well, in Baghdad and Najaf, etc.